So if you are mining on Nicehash, you would have read this string of emails. Even this Nicehash thing is not working. It has glitched. I cannot do anything, as you can see. Okay, I just hate Nicehash. Okay, it has a lot of problems. Anyways, if one day ago you are mining on Nicehash, you would have seen this on their Twitter. Dear Nicehash miners, our China Hong Kong server is currently under DDoS attack. If you may have any issues, please contact to another server location. Our team is working on fixing the problem ASAP. Thank you for patience. Unfortunately, Nicehash is still under a DDoS attack, a big one. Okay, as they're clarifying, our team is working on mitigating the attack, and we'll let you know once the platform will be fully operational again. Please follow the Nicehash status. Okay, also an update, mining should now work every location, and then Nicehash emails should be delivered without any problems. If you have any problems with the confirmation codes, just try again. And you know, in just the last couple days there were a lot of problems, okay, with Nicehash, but I want to actually give my opinion on this. If you are mining through Nicehash, the easiest miner out there, you know, the miner that is making our life simpler, which is making everything more simpler, and the one-click miner, you know, you just download it and mine straight away. Okay, I actually did some research, some digging, and if we go back to their time when they got hacked back in December, as you can see, dear Nicehash users, some parts of the website and API are currently under maintenance, and then they had maintenance completed, and then they had another problem just before the hack, just before the day they got hacked. Dear Nicehash users, our service is currently under maintenance. We are sorry for the inconvenience. But this time it is much more bigger, in my opinion. This time it's a bigger hit. It will be much more larger, and this is a warning red flag that you should get out as soon as possible. This means that Nicehash doesn't have the enough infrastructure to actually sustain itself from all these hackers and all these people out there. You know, if they had problems back in December, why wouldn't they have problems right now? And this just gives me the sign that they are not irresponsible people, and even if their miner is really easy, there's a lot of alternatives, and if you don't want to learn, then quit mining, because if you don't learn how to mine properly, you will face all these issues and potentially lose all your profits, all your gains. This means that Nicehash, okay, if they had this DDoS attack, and this is much bigger than any maintenance, okay, than any API or any whatever, they had maintenance in here, okay, back in December. This is much more larger. If they had a DDoS attack on their servers, on the most place, which is the core of your company, the server, that's a huge flaw. And you know what I thought of, why would hackers actually hack or DDoS attack these servers without getting any gains? So that's a big warning sign that there is something much bigger that is coming, and maybe just people are going to say, oh, nothing, it's fine, they solved the problem, but they have a lot of problems. Are you going to sit like a duck in a storm waiting until the hack comes? I mean, a lot of people on Discord just say, oh, why didn't they just switch the servers? I mean, I don't know, maybe they had a lot of problems. I mean, I was not mining on Nicehash in the last 24 hours, okay? All these messages are less than 24 hours, and it just keeps telling me try again, try again, try again, and it doesn't work. So guys, keep in mind that you are not dealing with a company, you are dealing with a bunch of irresponsible marketers. Remember that, okay? And you might not like my comment or my so-called opinion on this, but what I understand is that if they cannot manage their own problems and they don't have their own like security on their most important place, which is the server, okay? Country servers are big things, okay? If a lot of them are hacked, okay, I just switched to Brazil, so I had to mine on another server, but it doesn't matter. But anyways, if that's the case, you need to stay away from Nicehash, and if you have anything through Nicehash unpaid or in your balance, withdraw right now. This is the biggest red flag we have right now. This is the biggest warning. So these hackers will not strike once and run away. They are doing something much larger. This is just a warning, guys, because DDoS attack needs a lot of resources. If anyone knows about DDoS attacking, you need to spam the server so much. You need some resources, you need some computers that are a bit, you know, powerful. It's not easy to DDoS attack servers in many countries like China or Japan or, like, you know, the United States. Importantly, you need to withdraw all your money right now, okay? If you have unpaid balance, try and mine it away, okay, right now. Don't wait, okay, until that hack comes. And they still did not pay all the things that we lost back in December, so keep that in mind. And we are in a bear market, so it is another call for a warning sign for the company itself, for its profits that are going down. So keep that in mind. Thank you guys for watching this video, and stay warned, stay, you know, like, open in time of deceit. Telling the truth is a revolutionary act, and see you guys on the next video.